All right, today I'm going to show you how to make coffee with the classic coffee maker right here. All right, and so what I'm going to do is show you how to make it. All right, so what you're going to need is coffee. You have some ground coffees. You're going to need a coffee filter, which I have right here. And you're going to need water. All right, and so I'm going to show you how to do this. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a coffee filter. You see, you take one of these coffee filters, and what you're going to do is you're going to pull out this right here and put it inside of the holder right there. All right, so you're going to put the filter in there. Okay, next I am going to put coffee inside of here. All right, so what I'm going to do is I have my ground coffee right here, and the rule of thumb is for every 8 ounces, every 8 ounce cup. Okay, so this is an 8 ounce cup. You're going to use 2 tablespoons. All right, so I'm going to take 2 tablespoons. Here's one. I'm going to put it in there. And then here is 2. All right, 2 tablespoons. All right, so I have 2 tablespoons in there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and replace this. All right, replace this back to the way where it was originally. All right. And so I'm going to fill up this cup. So this is 8 ounces. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and fill this up with water. All right, just for measurement purposes. You could use a measuring cup if you'd like, but I'm just going to use my cup right here. All right, I have 8 ounces, and then I'm going to open the back of it. Do you see this? Come up closer a little bit. I'm going to open up the back of it and pour the water in there. Great, all right. And then I am going to look to the side to turn this on. And so there should be an on button. Here's one on the side right here. I'm just gonna go ahead, press it. It is on, and it should start to brew in several seconds. So it's gonna go ahead and go on. Now, while this is starting to brew, let me remind you, use 2 tablespoons of coffee ground per 8 ounce cup. All right, if you want it a little bit stronger, sometimes people use a little bit more coffee, or if it's too strong, sometimes people use a little bit less coffee. It's completely up to you. Also, I've also known people use 2 filters instead of 1 inside of the coffee filter, and this allows you to get less of the rinds. Some of micro pieces of the grinds get inside of the coffee maker, but if you use 2, it'll be less. Okay, so depending on the coffee filter brand, you may want to use less. As you can see, that coffee is starting to percolate. It's starting to come down through here. Let me zoom in so you can see. It's starting to come down here, just like that, into the coffee pot. All right, should be done. I'm just going to take it off, pour the cup in here, just like that. And that's how you make coffee using the coffee maker. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.